Hello there. I think I'm on camera. I think it's really, really, really cool that I'm on camera. Okay, so today I wanted to talk to you about something that's really important to get where you want to get to in life. Whether it be in a relationship, whether it be for a job interview, whether it be for applying for a school that you really want to get into, whether it be for building a friendship, all kinds of cool stuff. If you want to get what you want out of life, you need to master this technique. It's really simple. It only takes a little bit of listening skills, and boom, you got it. The trick is, when you listen to somebody, really pay attention to every single word they are saying. And then take each one of those words, or select your favorite one of those words, and get curious about it. Ask about it. Ask, what do they mean about that word? Or say, why is that important to you? That's why we were given 5 or 6 question words that are just fantastic. Who, what, when, where, why, how. Immediately you'll have something to talk about. You know, there's people out there who say, I can never think of anything to say. Especially like when you're talking to a girl that you really like. Or a guy that you like, or whatever. But the thing is, you always have something to say. All you have to do is ask one of these question words. Who, what, when, where, why, or how. Ask any of the questions and refer to the person's word that they just used. For example, if someone said the only thing they had in common was looks, you could come back with, oh, what do you mean by looks? Tell me more about that. Well, or so you could say, what looks did they have in common? Or, this is a really good one. Or you could do, like when someone says the train was late, you could say something like, oh, how late was the train? Or, oh, where was the train coming from? Or, oh, who was on the train? Or, oh, who were you waiting for? Or, why was the train late? Anything, any great conversation can really stem out of these simple words that people give to you. They're like free golden nuggets. Look what I can do.